How to make a WordPress website from scratch. Sitekit free plugin with google.com. Get insights about how people find and use your site directly in your WordPress dashboard. Sitekit make it easier to set up key Google products so you can succeed online. WordPress price WordPress website in WordPress cms.com. Same cost less than other SCMS. Subscription on lessons. SAM delivers expansional value. Learn why non-profits to Fortune 100 companies choose SAM, our competing SMS platform. Affordable build for maker. Homepage, requested demo, pricing, benefits, showcase, feature, support team. Best managed web WP web hosting jam packed free for follow tools. Fly free e-commerce platform Adobe e-commerce cloud adobe.com. How to build a WordPress website from scratch 2021. How to make a WordPress website. Easy tutorials. Create website. What do I need to build a website? You will need the following three things to start your WordPress site. A domain name. How to make a WordPress website step-by-step guide for beginners. Believe it or not, but knowing how to make a website from scratch is one of the more essential skills you need. How to create your website from scratch. How to make a WordPress from scratch 2021. How to make a custom website from scratch using WordPress. How to make a WordPress website from scratch. How to build and make a WordPress website from scratch. Take your business one step further. Make and build a beautiful and successful website. Learn and master WordPress easily. How to create a website step by step guide for beginners. Learn how to make a website and get set it up to build a website using WordPress. Joomla, Paul and HTML will help you build a website from scratch without having to. How to make a website from scratch in 2021 step by step. WordPress.org is the most popular website builder of all time, and it actually powers over 30% of all the websites on the web. How to build a WordPress website from scratch in a weekend. Choose a domain name of your website. Choose a web hosting provider. Install WordPress step. Choose a theme. A beginner guide to create a WordPress website. Smashing. We will learning about working with domain, installing WordPress, managing content, and using great plugin and themes. The six-step process of designing a WordPress site from scratch. Build an online shop, free e-commerce website maker, website builder, 100 plus design theme, SEO and marketing tools, and more with unlimited plan. Pricing information blogs under our clients about us. Inquire online. Free website builder. Turn visitor into customer. Switch to Odoo and simply your business process with a fully integrated solution. Stop wasting time and money trying to do your website with other software. BVA agency website service building DTC brands. As a Shopify certificate agency, we push boundaries to create innovative experience. BVA has the most stale client roster in the Shopify space. Website design, our partner, our service, Amazon and Marketplace Creative and UK Designs. WordPress, Mobilize, Weebly, Webflow, Scratch, Canva, Google Web Designer, Bootstrap, WordPress Learning Book, How to Create a WordPress Website for Beginners, WordPress for Beginners, Create a Website Step by Step, WordPress Tutorial for Beginners, WordPress Website Builder, WordPress Website Template, WordPress Download, WordPress Tutorial, PDF, How to Create a WordPress Video Site, Free Website Builder, Switch to Odoo, Build an on-site a beginner guide for creating a WordPress website. Smashing. We will learning about working with domain, installing WordPress, managing content, and using great plugin and theme. How to build a WordPress website from scratch. How to make a website from scratch in 2021. Website.org, the most popular website builder for all time, and it actually power over 30% of all the website on the web.